how to land a job in freelancer.com. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can land a job in freelancer.com. So let's get started. If you do not have any idea about freelancer.com, Freelancer is an amazing freelancing platform that allows you to provide your services, and as a client you will be able to find the best freelancers out there to do your job. What you have to do is you will simply go to freelancer.com and you will land on this platform right here. You can find jobs, you can find freelancers, get ideas, and it's the oldest freelancing platform out there, one of the very first freelancing website that was ever created, and it has a lot of different niches. For example, web designing, research, logo designing, proofreading, data processing, marketing, content writing, 3D modeling, blogging, copywriting, web search, and many more. So you will be able to find the freelancers in every niche, and as a freelancer you will be able to provide services in all of these different niches. Now the question is how to land a job, because as a beginner you might be wondering, well, there is competition and there are a lot of different freelancers with reviews, so how you can compete with them and how you can land your first job in freelancer.com. So of course, if you have not signed up for Freelancer, you will simply click on sign up right here and you will be able to sign up for freelancer.com. The signing up process for Freelancer is completely easy. What you have to do is you simply sign up with your email address and you set up a password. That's it. Or you can continue with Facebook. Once you do that, you will have your own freelancer.com. So let's say you have signed up for freelancer.com. Now our question is how we can land our first job. So on Freelancer, how Freelancer works, let me quickly give you a view. So what happens is you will be able to find different jobs right here. You get the job notification as well whenever a new job is posted on Freelancer. So you have your own niche. You will complete your profile, which I will tell you just in a minute. So you have your profile and then you get notification of these different jobs. You click on the job and then you place a bid on the job. You sent a proposal to do the job, and after that client simply reviews your proposal, and if they like it they will simply contact you and then you will be able to get the job. And then there's the next procedure, of course, when you add milestones, and then you simply get paid when the job is done. So it sounds easy, but it's not easy, because what happens is when you will be creating your account for the first time, you will notice that not many people will actually choose you, because there is a lot of competition at on Freelancer. Because it is one of the very oldest platform, there are a lot of people here. So let me show you how you can actually stand out among these proposals and how you can get your first proposal. So the first thing that you need to do is complete your profile. When you create freelancer.com, don't go with incomplete profile, like you don't have a profile picture or your all details are not verified, and you simply go and place a bid. So of course nobody will choose you because they don't know anything about you. So what you need to do is you need to complete your profile first, and that is the first thing that you need to do when you will be creating freelancer.com. How to make your profile stand out? Well, make sure to have a professional profile picture. Don't go with a very unprofessional picture. Go with a picture that you have. Maybe you can actually go to a studio for your professional picture and then you can put it right there. After that, once you have the profile picture, make sure you have your portfolio built. For example, if you have already done jobs, you can add them. If you have not, make sure to describe what you are doing. Let's say you are a content writer, so make sure to add everything about you. Build a portfolio so that your profile stands out. When you place the bid, the client actually checks your profile, and when they will check your profile, make sure it is good and it stands out, and they're like, okay, so this is someone professional and this is the person I want my job to be get done from. So this is what we are going for. I have personally used Freelancer as well in the start, and it was good. You do get the jobs, and Freelancer is kind of like a platform that will actually help you get your first freelancing job. I also want to mention that on Freelancer there are scams as well. I'm not gonna lie to you, because it's an old platform and there are a lot of people. So you need to, stay away from the scam jobs. They will scam you and they're like, okay, so we're gonna pay you this, but you have to pay us a security fee. So don't pay someone before they pay you. So just keep in mind, okay, don't be scammed by someone. I have also personally experienced it, so I don't want you to do that. So once you place a bid, let's say you have a good profile. Now the question is how to place a bid and what kind of bid or a proposal stands out. So I will actually show you some of the proposal of the people who have actually gotten 5 stars. So what happens is placing a bid on Freelancer, timing matters. That's what I have noticed. For example, on other freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr, or you place a bid and then you get the response after days, and you can also place a bid after hours. But on Freelancer, you have to be very quick. Like when a job is posted, you need to act quick and you have to place a bid within seconds because there are a lot of people. So that's the first thing. You need to be fast on Freelancer. Second thing that you need to do is keep your proposal professional. If you do not have any reviews, then your bid is the thing that will make you stand out. What you are saying will make you stand out among the others because other people have reviews. You don't have any reviews yet. So you can see right here, I don't know these people and I am not gonna kind of like go through their details, but I'm just giving you an example. More power to this person and this freelancer. So what happens is you can see right here, hello, I hope you're doing well. I am very much interested to work with your banner design. I follow the deadlines along with unique customized ideas with as many revisions as required. So you can see right here, this person actually has 500 reviews and it's like 4.8. And then there's this person, you can see right here, I can design 5 2 feet banner. So they have asked someone to design a banner. So you can see right here their bids. This is what I want you to know. These are the mistakes that I did in this chart. Don't go with, hi, my name is this, and I am a freelancer, and I have experience of this, and stuff like that. Don't introduce yourself again and again. So, what happens is, you can see right here, this person has like written, I have learned through your circular that you have currently. Okay, this is also not a bad proposal right here. So, what happens is that people are like, okay, so hi, my name is this, and I have done this, this is my degree, and I have this experience and I want to do your job. This is not the proposal that you want to send. What you need to do is write in your proposal what your client is looking for. Okay, refer to them. Say, you want this get done, I will do it for you. I can do this for you. Don't introduce yourself. Tell them why they should choose you. Okay, that's what you need to do. I hope you understand, right? So it's super easy to do. It's just how you write your proposal and it makes a big difference. Don't go with a basic one. Also, go for good wordings, vocabulary. It will really help you with your proposal, and don't go too long. Nobody has the time to read. So once you have your proposal right, then you will be able to get a job. And then of course, when it comes to profile, keep your niche. Just go with one niche, otherwise you will be blocked from Freelancer. Don't do scams as well because that's not right. And then once you have your profile, you know how to propose, then you will simply get a job on Freelancer, as Freelancer has a lot of opportunities. So there are a lot of jobs. So there are 80% chances that you will land your first job in Freelancer within 3 days. So good luck to you, and I hope that this video was a big help to you, and now you know how to land a job in freelancer.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.